Hey, okay, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to crop inside Illustrator. So currently I'm using the latest Illustrator. Okay, so I'm just gonna take an image, okay, Trump's image, and just crop. So here is the image and here at the top is crop image. Now by cropping, you're cropping it permanently. Okay, we just want his face. Done. Your crop, there's nothing behind. Okay, in case you want to keep the data per se of the whole picture, just draw a square. Alright, right click, select both, and right click, make clipping mask. And as you can see, the overall picture is still there, and you can right click and release clipping mask. Normally you just crop straight away unless you want to keep the whole picture for, I don't know, repositioning. For example, let's say the square is still there. I clip mask, you can double click and still move the picture around within the box. Okay, but if you crop directly, it's there forever, and it's just about like that. Okay, so that's about it for the tutorial. Thanks guys, see you later, bye bye.